thinkers, bookworms, Honorable Principal Ma'am and Vice Principal Ma'am, dear teachers and beloved students. Before we begin with the program, I will request our highly esteemed Principal Ma'am and Vice Principal Ma'am to kindly come on the stage for lighting of the lamp. Thank you, ma'am. Now to increase the piousness in the environment, we will begin our program with Gayatri Mantra. Performance by our school choir. Please give them a huge round of applause. Along with the environment that has been created, I'm reminded of a thought that leaders are not born, they are made. For those of you who do not know what an investiture ceremony means, the investiture ceremony is an official celebration of a person's installation to his authority, power, right and office.
Thus, dear audience, you may eventually discover the beauty of this beautiful day as the event gradually starts to blossom. As this day marched on the investiture ceremony of Philpott Public School. Moving forward, I take pride in getting this opportunity to welcome all the distinguished guests on this special occasion of the investiture.
Every man has a map in his heart of his own destination. And the heart will never allow you to forget this map. Moving forward, I would request our highly esteemed Principal Ma'am and Vice Principal Ma'am to kindly come on the stage for felicitating our head boy and head girl of the school.
Master Sarthak Badoni and Ms. Shreya Godial to kindly come forward for the acceptance of the authority.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, I would request Shalindra sir, Manish sir and Rajesh sir to kindly felicitate our sports captain.
I request Master Rishabh Prabhal and Ms. Akriti to kindly step forward for the acceptance of the authority.
kindly come upon the stage to felicitate our magazine editors.
I request Master Saurabh and Miss Samya to kindly come forward for the acceptance of the authority.
Now, I would request Shama ma'am, Amrita ma'am and Naresh sir to kindly come upon the stage to felicitate our Aryabhatta club captain.
I request Master Praveer Rana and Miss Ritika to kindly come forward for the acceptance of the authority.
Thank you sir, thank you ma'am. Now I would request Gautam sir, Sagar sir and Sonia ma'am to kindly come upon the stage to felicitate our Mother Teresa club captain.
I request Master Adi Negi and Miss Sheetal to kindly come forward for the acceptance of the authority.
Thank you sir, thank you ma'am. Now I would request Inderpur ma'am, Yogita ma'am to kindly felicitate our Mary Kom club captain.
I request Master Harshit Dobriyal and Miss Shruti to kindly come forward for the acceptance of the authority.
Please boost their morale. Thank you sir, thank you ma'am. Now I will request Siksha ma'am, Dinesh sir, Mukesh sir and Krishna sir to kindly come upon the stage and felicitate our Biju Maharaj club captain.
I request Master Abhinav Ramola and Miss Gargi to kindly come forward for the acceptance of the authority. Give them a huge round of applause.
All the panel of intellectual students getting felicitated. Please give them a huge round of applause.
I would also like to announce the names of the class leaders and council members. Atharv Parmar, 5th A. Shreya Dhasmana, 5th A. Anshika Thapliyal, 5th B. Vikas Shah, 5th B. Veer Singh, 6th A. Aditi Rana, 6th A. Sparsh Bhatt, 6th B. Sneha Negi, 6th B. Priya Rawat, 7th A. Ayush Thapliyal, 7th A. Arnav Badoni, 7th B. Aneek Negi, 7th B. Devyanshika, 8th A. Daksh Joshi, 8th A.
Abhay Sajwan, 8th B. Shweta Mangai, 8th B. Shreya Saklani, 9th A. Aditya Kumar, 9th A. Vineet Singh, 9th B. Ishita Bhatt, 9th B. Aman Penuri, 10th A. Priyanka Rana, 10th A. Priyanshu Rana, 10th B. 1, 10th B. Thank you.
Asked us to say thank you. With this thought-provoking quote, I would request the head boy, Master Sarthak Bodoni, to give his speech.
Wanted to thank all the teachers who trusted on me. Firstly, I wanted to thank the management who found the potential in me to be the head boy of the school. The dream which I saw in class 6 finally to come into the reality. Secondly, I'm feeling a little bit sad because this is going to be the last year of my school. But also I'm excited because I will serve the school this year. So, from the very first class of the school, I am learning the lesson which was not just limited to my academics but also helped me in my life a lot. For me, head boy is not just a title or a position, but it is a action which can make differences.
Thank you. Now, I will request head girl, Ms. Shreya Godial, to kindly give her speech.
A very good afternoon to everyone present here. Today, I, Shreya Godial, standing here as the head girl for this prestigious institution. Firstly, I would like to thank the management staff who thought me capable for this opportunity. Today is the happiest day for me, but at the same time, this badge makes me remind that this badge is not given just to be happy, but it is given to accomplish all the duties and responsibilities that I ought to do. Coming together is the new beginning, keeping together is the progress, and working together is the success. For me, being the head girl is not just about the position or the title, but it is about the action and example that is to be. It is an honor and privilege for me to be the head girl of the school. I promise to work hard with all my zeal, devotion and determination, and it would only be successful with all your valuable support and blessings. Thank you.
Ma'am, to grace the occasion with her invaluable words. Please give a huge round of
Om Shanti to all of you. I would not say that we are conducting a program after a long time. Despite of Corona, we had been conducting a lot of the events in the past also. So thank you to all the staff members and the children. Obviously, today we have gathered here for the investiture ceremony. So I would like to congratulate all the students and who are being awarded captains, head girl, head boys, the council members, and their very, very proud parents and their wonderful teachers, because of which they all are here. Earlier also, students, you have been learning in the school, but now the difference as a leader will be, earlier you were responsible for the development and growth of your particular well-being. Your responsibility was for the limited to your development. But now, since when you have been accorded this responsibility as a leader, now the responsibility is the development and the growth and development of each and every child, including the organization also, school I mean to say. So, like Aman said, leaders are made but not born. Very true, because each and every human being who is, people learn from their experiences, and to be a leader you need to take up the challenges in the life. Is it a difference actually when you say why I, and then why not I? It's just a difference. I said, why would I do exactly? No? Why will I do it? And then the leader says, why not I do it? And those people who think like this, that why not I do it, they are the ones who bring the change. this is the quality of a leader. You always have it. Yes, I will do it. I will bring the change. I will do it for the betterment. So, children, this leaders, when we talk about this investiture ceremony, it's just not about the designation or assigning you the responsibilities. It's about your impact. How much impact do you make, or how much you influence that your work and your words and how well you communicate, that you bring a change. After 1 year, when we again meet, when we will be welcoming the new ongoing batch, and we will be saying thank you to you, I must appreciate you people for the changes you have brought. So this is actually a challenge for you people, that I want that you should have it, that you make a change. You teach children to respect your uniform, you should teach them to respect the school, to lead for the development and the growth of the entire organization. A part of that, children, as I'm saying this, is it's not only about, because everybody will be looking on you people. It's because everybody will be seeking your help, your ideas, your views. You will be the role models for them. So any help they need, they will be obviously wanting you people. So to be a role models, you need to first work on yourselves also. You need to give importance to your academics also. So that should not be left behind, and that should also be given proper and due importance. Because then only you people can become a role models, because you will see the juniors saying, oh, this bhaiya, this didi, they are always participating, they are good into their academics also, and they are very good into all competitions also. They are appreciated each and everywhere. So in the school, outside the schools, and we have been having head girls and head boys, believe me, where other schools, principals and teachers say, oh, we know this person, child of yours. So that we can give you the opportunities, we can give you everything. But then to how you use those opportunities for your betterment, that is all up to you. So if you are ready for these changes, we welcome you and we are there to support you. The school has always been supported to each and every of you. Last year also and this year also, I say that we have the council members, and for this, any ideas and anything coming from your side, we have a budget for this, where we have a budget of rupees 1 lakh. So any ideas, any proposals, anything coming from your side for the betterment of the school, for the betterment of the children, they are always welcomed, and we will be using this budget which comes from your side. You will be in fact handling this. See, then everything is, all the resources available in the school is for your betterment, but you have to utilize it. You have to use it. Until and unless you do it, then it's all wastage. So that is there. So I hope that you are going to use that budget. I want that the budget should be used. So, but it's the initiatives, the ideas, the process should be yours. Right? And say for the council members also, we have a monthly meeting for it. And despite of the corona, I want that you take simple way. Everybody can work when it's a simple going, but who works in the challenges, the true leader is that. So I want that during this period also, you make a setup, you make an environment in such a way that any of the activities we have planned for throughout the year should not be cancelled or should not be postponed or any other reasons because of the corona or because of this pandemic. So this I want from your side. So you are, in fact, I must say, lucky that you have got more opportunities. Why to see the negative aspect? Why not see the positive? So, if the children are in the school, everybody can work. But if they are sitting at home and then you work, then you become a true leader. So, this is how I want you to work, and I want you to work. I will always and every time appreciate your ideas. I want that you come up to me and you say me, ma'am, not this way, we are going to do it this way. And I will definitely appreciate it. I am longing for it, in fact. Nobody has come to me and said, ma'am, this day, great, not annual day, but this way we should do it. Or any other activities. Right. So, congratulations to all the students, and I want that you bring the change. And we are there to support you in all the terms. And have this in you, that yes, we will do it. Why others? Why not me? So, as I say now, why I and why not I? There's a difference between a not, but that makes you a different and a unique person. So, we have a list of activities and competitions and other things for the whole year. I want that all the members, who appointed members, should go through it, should plan it out with Chitrakshi ma'am, with your teachers, and you want any changes in it, you want it in a much better way, always and always your ideas are welcomed and appreciated. Right, students? So, with this note, thank you and congratulations to all of you once again, and I hope you will work really hard and fulfill everybody's dream, your parents, your teachers, the schools, right? So respect your parents, respect your teachers, respect your school. That is one of the true quality of a leader. You should, and you will not fail anywhere in life if you have this, because when you have respect, you intend to work hard from deep inside. It's not to show somebody else that I'm working to show my parents or show my teachers or show it to my school, but when you will have in-depth respect for each and everything, for your parents, you will sincerely and dedicate and work hard. Similarly for the school, if you have that respect, you will work from this, from your heart, right? So as we say that you don't come along, but you come with your hand, head and heart, 3H. So if you use your hands only and your heart and your head is not there, it's of no use, you know? Because you're just doing it for the sake of doing it. And when you have your heart is also there, but your hands are also there, but you do not have this, then also it's not use. So you should have all those things, your hand, your head and your heart, involve yourself into this and this new position of yours. This is just a beginning of your of your journey, big journey. So my best wishes are all with you, and once again congratulations to all of you. Thank you so much.
Now, I and my co-partner would like to end today's wondrous event with an apt quote. Before you are a leader, success is all about growing yourself. But when you become a leader, success is all about growing others. Thank you.
Stand for the national anthem.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंग, तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे।
ceremony.
Council,